The minimum bend radius calculator determines the smallest radius you can safely bend sheet metal without cracking or damaging the material. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your material from the drop-down menu. You can choose from aluminum soft, aluminum hard, steel soft, steel hard, stainless steel annealed, stainless steel hard, copper, or brass. For this demonstration, I'll select steel soft. Next, choose your units, either inches or millimeters. I'll keep it in inches. Finally, enter the thickness T of your sheet metal. This represents the material thickness you're working with. I'll enter 0.0625 inches, which is a common 16-gauge steel thickness. After clicking Calculate Minimum Bend Radius, the calculator provides the minimum safe bend radius for your specific material and thickness combination. This critical dimension tells you the tightest radius you can form without causing defects in the material. The calculator accounts for the material's ductility and thickness to ensure your bends maintain structural integrity. Understanding this minimum radius helps prevent costly mistakes and ensures your bent parts meet design specifications. Find the link in the description below